Hi! Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita. Welcome to today's video where I'm going to be sharing my very first experience with Shein. This is not sponsored. I did waste a lot of my salary in this video, but I truly love everything. I don't know, stick around to see if I do. Hope you enjoyed the video. First things first, I just want to say that everything related to my order was just great. Everything went smoothly. The shipping took like 2 weeks, or more or less 2 weeks, to come to Portugal, and everything was just in great condition. It was just like Christmas all over again, and I love getting orders, so yes. So the first purchase that I did was just these very plain cropped top v-neck t-shirt. I'm very excited about this one because it may seem like it's just boring, like plain and everything, but the v-neck, it's very elegant with like necklaces and everything, and also the texture I think just adds more to it. And I'm very excited about this one because I had a white cropped t-shirt, but it was just not it. Like all the elastics here were just breaking, so it's not in its perfect conditions. I can't use it anymore, and so I was very excited to just find these replacements. And it's very cute, it's very comfortable. Also very happy about this purchase. I would give it a 10 out of 10, honestly, like amazing. Then I'm so excited. It's this shirt that I kind of use it like a jacket, and I think this one is absolutely cute. I have these two pockets on each side. I would say that it's a 9 out of 10. I don't give a 10 because the interior is kind of rough, but if you have something like a t-shirt or something, you should be good to go. But I really like this one. I'm very happy with the purchase, and it fits perfectly and also just matches with almost everything that I have on my closet, so this was a great purchase. Another thing that I got was just these. This one is so cute. I love this one so much. Type of cleavage that it has, it's very unique. It just goes like this. Also the sleeves are very slim, so I don't know, it just fits perfectly and makes you like kind of feel like a goddess, so I love this one. The only part that I don't recommend is because my boobs don't fit in here. I tried, I have to just push them down, like they don't. It's kind of tight over here, and this just goes above my boob, and it's supposed to just cover everything. So I don't know, but if I bought the other size, yeah, this wouldn't fit me. So yeah, that's just a thing. So it is what it is. I bought this one. I still use it because I think this is awesome, very elegant. I love the elastic things. I don't know if you can tell, but I love them, and I think it just looks very cute. Then I also purchased, of course, these in brown, these nude color that I love so much. Have the elastics, and the sleeves are very thin, very elegant. I love the color. It's very trending, it's very warm, very comfortable color. I love it so much. So I don't know if you know this by now, I'm gonna tell you again. I love these elastic things. So this purchase was awesome. It's very light cropped t-shirt, but also has these elastic. And when I say it's very light, it's because one, the fabric is very thin, but also it just falls on your body. Highly recommend. This is a 10 out of 10, I guess. Then I bought this one. Oh my god, you guys, I love how it fits. It's very light on you, and it's very light as in it's transparent, so be careful with that. Plastic is amazing, of course, just gives a nice touch to it. The texture is also amazing. I love this one so much, so I would highly recommend. I would say that I would probably give this a 9 out of 10 just because of being see-through, and yeah, very thin fabric, but I love it. I've worn this a lot actually. This is a very cozy sweatshirt, I guess. This is very nice. The color is amazing, the quality is amazing. It has like this high neck, but you can just fold as many times as you want, and it doesn't make you like feel claustrophobic. Also the sleeves are a very I don't know, big, but I love it because it just makes me feel more, I don't know, cozy. Highly recommend this one. So now I'm gonna show you one of my favorite pieces. This one is so cute. It's just these crop top, and then it has the elastic part, of course. It looks more elegant, more adjust to your body. It makes me feel confident, you know, and I love clothes that just make me feel confident. And I love the color. I'm loving these colors so much. I've loved this color for a long time now, and now it's trending. This is my time to shine, basically. This is amazing. Okay, moving on. Love this one, 10 out of 10. And I bought this one. This is the same as the white version that I showed in the beginning, but this is brown. I love this color. This is the perfect like shade of brown that I love. So yeah, I love it. It's very saturated. I love this purchase so much. This is probably one of my favorite purchases as well. This is just this basic-ish green top, mint top, and it's open in the back. And you just have these string here that it will just go around your waist, and you would just do like a bow or something. And this is amazing. I love the color. The color is perfect. It's very trending right now, and the way it fits, it's very formal, but you can turn it into a very casual look or formal, whatever you want. I love this one, and it fits perfectly. So yeah, the only thing with bras, you can forget it. So I would just recommend you to use just the front of the bra and leave everything open here just to be more elegant. But if you want to, you can just use a top or something and hide the bra, or don't hide it, you know, show off your bra, it's fine. I have a bunch of tops like this, and this is my favorite one so far because of the color and of the fabric. I think everything just looks amazing, and I'm just in love with this piece. Highly recommend. I would give this one probably a 9 out of 10 because whenever I tried it on, the thing was just, I don't know, it wasn't okay. So yeah, but it may be perfect for you, so I highly recommend. Then we have this top. This is not like a great purchase, but I really wanted just this brown top. This may seem small, but it just stretches, and I love this one so much. It's very basic, but I think the color just makes it all popped, and also like these little how do you call this? I don't remember. I think these ones just look perfect, and yeah, it's very basic. I love this top so much. Highly recommend. It's a basic piece to have on your wardrobe and can easily be matched with anything. Oh, I love this one. This is a very exciting piece. So I was looking for one of these for a while now. This is a black, it's not a vest, but it's kinda, and it just has a v-neck with some buttons here, and I think it looks so cute. I just wanted to have a closet that would be a grown-up closet, and I think this one is very formal but casual at the same time, so I highly recommend this one. It fits perfectly, it's very comfortable, and you know, you're just ready, like you're ready to go, so highly recommend. I also got this one, and yes, of course, it has this little elastic thing here, and I love it so much. This was the only like pattern thing that I bought, but I was thinking of like those 80 or 90 jeans where you just a little bit loose with this top. I think it would just be awesome. So it has this v-neck. I love it. The quality is amazing as well, and yeah, I love the pattern. It just looks so cute. Also, this little elastic thing going on here doing this detail. I think this one is so cute, and for the summer is just amazing. I just love this one, so I highly recommend. 10 out of 10. So I also bought this set that I'm very excited about, and I have mixed feelings about it. So basically it comes with this skirt, this black patterned skirt, as you can see, and it just has this little thing opened, and I love it. And then it just comes also with this t-shirt. There's a little bit of cleavage, not gonna lie, and I think everything together looks amazing, except that I don't love the skirt. I don't love the fabric of the skirt and how it just fits me, but maybe that's something that will grow on me and I will just eventually love it. But yeah, I don't know if it's the fabric or something, but this is too thin, and I don't know, I think it doesn't fit right, but I love how, you know, the concept behind it is amazing. Then I bought something that I wasn't expecting or wanting to buy, but basically it was a skirt. And it wasn't any type of skirt, it was the specific skirt. I've seen this skirt all over like Pinterest, all over like Brandy Melville and everything, and I wanted to buy, but it was so expensive for someone that doesn't like to wear this kind of stuff to try it on, so I decided to just buy it from Shein. I think this one is absolutely cute. The only thing that I highly recommend. If you buy this one, please wear shorts underneath, because whenever you like just bend a little bit for, you know, picking up something or everything just shows. So I highly recommend you to wear shorts. This is perfect. I love the quality of the product. So highly recommend. I would say 7 out of 10, just because I need to wear shorts underneath for sure. I wear shorts underneath like any dress or anything, but these ones I really do need to wear. I also bought sweatshirts because I love sweatshirts. I love sweatshirts and I was in needing of some. So I bought this sweatshirt and I'm so happy. This is one of the most comfortable sweatshirts that I have ever tried on. And yeah, I'm very excited. So the color is awesome. It's just these very like nude pale kind of vibe. And I really love it. I think just looks amazing with kind of like jeans or a skirt or whatever. Matches with everything and it's very comfortable. So I highly recommend. Fits awesome and it has an awesome color as well, very trendy. So this would be a 10 out of 10, I guess. I was very excited to just buy my very first ever black sweatshirt. I was just stealing my boyfriend's one and I think it was time for me to get my own. The other one, it's perfect. It's very comfortable. The fabric is very soft, so it doesn't get itchy or anything, and it's very high quality product, so I highly recommend. And yeah, as I said, you can just basically match these with anything that you own. We have a big one now. So one piece each are just these sweatpants, brown sweatpants that you can see all over Instagram now, and I love them so much. The only thing I think they're a little bit long for my legs, and so I think I just need to do a little thingy here. But I love them. They have elastics and they fit perfectly. This one came with a sweatshirt that I wanted, and so I found these like sets and I just bought it because I wanted the sweatpants and I wanted the sweatshirt. This sweatshirt is amazing. It's so comfortable. I love the color as well. I love these sets so much. Very comfortable and highly recommend. I love sweatpants. If you haven't noticed on my vlogs, on my videos or whatever, and I wanted a sweatpants like this for a while. These ones are all white. I couldn't find in stores sweatpants that were all white, as crazy as it sounds, and I want it for a year now and I found them. The only thing that I don't like about these sweatpants is that it looks like it just has a, it just, I don't know, it just gets very, it's not dirty, but you know what I'm saying, just attaches easily stuff from like everywhere. I've worn them a lot now and it's full of hairs even though it was just washed. It looks so cute, very comfortable. I always sleep in these because I love it that much. And yeah, but basically the only thing that I don't like about them is that they get dirty easily. But yeah, other than that, I love them. They fit perfectly and they are very comfortable. Oh, I really do love this one. No, I don't love this one. So then I had to buy biker shorts. They may seem great, but they are not. They fit not very good. They are a little bit tight here, but then here they're a little bit loose. So that was not the purpose. I mean, I'm happy with the purchase, but it was not the purpose of the purchase. So I may purchase something else. Also, it's very high-waisted, so it's like till here. And I mean, just doesn't work for me. So I'll give it probably a 3 out of 10. 4 out of 10. So besides clothing, I also bought decorations for my bedroom. As you can see on my bedroom makeover video, I'll leaving everything down below. Don't worry, you can watch it now. And I also bought things for my iPhone 11 and you can watch it also down there. I made a video of like things that I have for my iPhone 11 and these are must-haves. Honestly, I'm just gonna give you a sneak peek. I freaking love this phone case. This is amazing. It's transparent and just have little stars and moons and I love it so much. So yeah, if you want to check those videos out, the rest of this haul, it will be linked down below because this one is getting big. If you did stick until now, comment down below a brown heart, this emoji. I would love to see how many people just go like till the end. And I love you all so much. This was a very like grateful video to do because I've just been wanting to shop from Shein for like 7-8 years or something like that, and now I paid with my own salary, and I'm very excited. This was just kind of a thing that I wanted to do whenever I got my salary, and finally did it. And yeah, it was a silly thing to do, but I'm very grateful for being able to do it, and also very like blessed that every single piece that I order is amazing. It fits perfectly. I'll try to leave everything linked down below, of course. I'll see you in my next video. Love you all so much, and yeah, bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.